right, so this is gonna be a super quick video because I have a client about to come in for a facial, and I just figured I'd hop on here to show you guys what I'm gonna use for a Maskne facial. Everybody has been getting the Maskne, having issues with that. And if you don't know what Maskne is, it is just basically acne forming on the lower half of your face, anything that's under your mask. Because we all know, there's bacteria that grows on our masks, and we have to be mindful about making sure our masks are clean. And if you're not using reusable masks, switching out your mask often. And also, let's try to stay away from the makeup under your mask. Truth be told, we can't go anywhere to be too cute anyway. We have to wear a mask everywhere. So if you want to wear makeup, here on up and leave the rest bare, nobody will ever know. So I'm going to use a few things on her. I'm going to do a full facial, including some high frequency, and this is the one that I'll be using for my high frequency treatment. It's by Pure Daily Care, and you can actually find it on Amazon. I am going to start with her cleanse, obviously, and I'm going to go with the Clear Start foaming wash by Dermalogica, and it's specifically for clearing breakouts. So I'm going to start with that, and then I'm going to give her skin a good exfoliant, and I'm just going to use the Daily Microfoliant by Dermalogica and really work that into the skin. Obviously, if you have really inflamed skin, you're going to want to stay away from exfoliating too much, because it can kind of cause more issues, and you don't want to put yourself in unnecessary pain. Seriously, you don't want to make it more inflamed. So yeah, so we're going to exfoliate with that cleanser. Obviously, we're going to extract, and I'm just going to use this tool. I love this scrubber to extract. Comes out super easy. You can also order these on Amazon. I do suggest you seeing your esthetician for a full facial and really getting in those pores and stuff like that. You don't want to play with this too much on your own skin and cause any issues. And some people kind of apply too much pressure, so you want to be careful about using it yourself. And then I'm going to go in with two different types of masks, one being a Vital C, just for to help her with brightening, and it's also an enzyme mask, and it's hydrating. So we definitely want to, especially this time of year, it's really cold outside, our skin is dry, so we want to bring that hydration back. For one of her serums, I'm going to be using a niacinamide serum, which is great for acne, acne scars. This is great for so many things, but definitely a good thing to use for your breakout. So I'm going to use that as one of her serums, along with a Vital C serum from Image. So this is the Vital C mask, the enzyme mask that I'll be using, and then the Vital C, this is the oil. So I'll be mixing this with the serum, and so I'll be using that. I will also be using the Intensive Aftercare Jelly Mask for my second mask, and this is great for instant relief and blemish reduction. So again, just trying to target that maskne and any other acne that she may be experiencing. So this will definitely come in handy, and it just feels really good on the skin, so she'll enjoy that. Now, obviously with my facials, I include massage, so neck and shoulder, hand and arms, and I'm going in with my massage gel cream by Dermalogica Pro. This is really good for massage. So I'll be going in with that, and then to kind of top her facial off, I'm going to end it with the Dermalogica Barrier Repair. And this is just great for preparing yourself to be out in the elements. So whether you have your mask on, or it's cold outside and your skin is sensitive and you tend to blister or chafe or anything like that, this is great for eczema. So it just creates a barrier over your skin, and it acts like as a form of protection on your skin. So I will be topping off her treatment with this, and per usual, everybody should be doing this. I will be providing an SPF as well. So that is pretty much it as far as what I'm going to use, like what products I'm going to be using. Like I said, I will be throwing in the high frequency, and I'll probably be massaging her face with my hands as well as a gua sha stone. And this is a rose quartz gua sha stone. That'll be it for her facial today, and that is how I'm going to help treat her maskne. Hopefully that helps anybody out there take care of your skin. Make sure you're cleaning your masks, make sure you're wiping that makeup off at the end of the day, and try not to wear any makeup under your mask. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.